everyone. Welcome to the first ever episode of Courtney's Kitchen. I'm your host, Courtney. Today's episode is all about family. I'm going to be making my mom's favorite treat, roasted Cheerios, and my sister's favorite, homemade pita chips. I hope you enjoy. Warning, both of these recipes involve the stove, so make sure you have a parent supervision. Let's start with roasted Cheerios. These are the ingredients we're going to need. Cheerios, butter, and a spatula. So, we're going to walk over to our stove and set it at medium heat. Then, with our stove at medium heat, we're going to let it preheat for a bit. When we're letting it preheat, and you can kind of check the temperature, so it's actually starting to get quite warm. Now we're going to take our butter and basically just plop it in here and let it sit for a little bit, and make sure the Cheerios don't burn. So we're going to pour our Cheerios onto the stove. The butter is all bubbling. We're going to take our spatula and not really flip it right now, but kind of just mix it all around and get it toasted. And then you're just gonna flip it. It's kind of hard to flip it, but you're just gonna flip it and make sure it does not burn. And then when you're all ready, just plop it on the plate. So we're gonna do this for a little bit longer, and then we're going to be doing it. And the more toasty you want it is how the longer you would heat it for, but then the less, like if you want it to be more like Cheerios and not really crunchy, you would put it on, like you want to do it for a long time. I'm stirring the Cheerios now, and I can see a little bit of grease on the bottom, and they are starting to look a little bit orange and look very toasty and very delicious, and does not look burnt yet, but it looks like it soon might be burnt. So actually you want like your Cheerios to be down there when like you're not cooking it for like 30 seconds, and have it be like a rug, the Cheerio rug on the bottom, and just let it like cook a little bit, and then flip them, and then let it like cook on the other side, which I think makes them look a lot more delicious. Okay, I think these are cooked. We turn off the fire, and now we're just gonna pour it onto the plate. And there you have it, some super duper yummy Cheerios that only took 5 minutes to cook. I'm gonna turn the stove up to medium heat. Now, when we have it up to medium heat, I'm gonna start cutting up my tortilla. The best way to cut up a tortilla is cut it up in half, and then cut it up into fourths, and then cut it up to eighths. Which eighths would be like this, but I just chopped it in half, so it's kind of make like strips. If you want your chips to be bigger, I recommend doing eighths. And if you're doing what I'm doing, I just chop it up into chip shapes. And if it's like someone's birthday or it's a holiday, you can like design it into like Santa hats, hearts, whatever type of design you want your chips to look like. So now I'm gonna put in my olive oil, and we don't want to put a lot, just a little. And you're gonna wanna mix it around. Now, we're gonna take our tortilla chips and put them in. You might wanna do a little at a time because there is a lot. And you should hear a sizzle, which they look kind of raw right now. So, when you cook them, it's gonna look good. but you don't want to burn them. You're gonna move it around a little bit and add some salt because salt just makes this a ton better. So some salt, some really, really yummy salt, and then start to mix it around and make sure you flip it really good. And we'll be back when these are all mixed up really, really nice. As you can tell, there's this like brown outline and it is looking very, very nicely cooked. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn off the stove. And it's still gonna be hot for a little bit, but then we're just gonna take it off and put it right on the plate. And hummus is optional, but why wouldn't you put on hummus? Hummus is amazing, and I'm obviously gonna put on hummus because who wouldn't? And enjoy this summer treat. Thank you so much for watching today's episode, Healthy Summer Treats. Thank you so much for my cameraman, Johnny, and my producer and writer and director, Gracie, for making this video possible. I hope you enjoyed all the cooking things we did, and remember to cook on.